Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get fuel in stranded deep. Start by scavenging beaches and wrecks for driftwood, planks, and crates you can burn or convert into charcoal. Use a stone tool to cut larger logs into usable pieces and dry them near your shelter. Keep fuels organized in a chest so you can manage burn cycles and avoid wasting collected materials during storms or nighttime. To make charcoal efficiently, dig a small pit and stack wood tightly, then cover it with shingle or sand to restrict airflow and start a slow burn. Monitor the smoldering process until smoke thins, then seal and let it cool before opening to harvest charcoal. Store charcoal dry and use it in cookers, torches, or smelting, since charcoal provides more energy per unit than raw wood and reduces the need for constant scavenging. Explore alternatives like diesel and biofuel by scavenging barrels, pumps, and engine parts from wreckage to refine into stable fuel. Harvest oil from marine sources and craftable items to keep generators running longer when wood is scarce. Make temporary light and heat using coconut oil-soaked cloth or improvised lamps while you build a sustainable fuel setup that includes a kiln, reserve cache, and prioritized refueling schedule for key equipment like water stills and motors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.